newscast, figuring all that out.
Sure. That's impressive. Well done. Well done. So can you figure out how much snow we're going to get while you're at it? Since you're doing the math.
I can't even figure out when it's going to start.
It's going to start later this evening. So we had a dusting across part of the area already. More of what you see out to the west is coming our way, and we will end up with some significant snows during the night tonight. When you wake up in the morning, you're likely to have some snow on the ground, and then we will add more to it during the day on Friday. Right now at John Glenn Columbus International Airport, the snow has tapered off. We just cloudy skies, 29 degrees, feels like 21, and we are going to see more snow overnight. Your Bassett Services heating and cooling current conditions. Washington Courthouse at 28, Lancaster's at 31, New Lex and McConnellsville at 29, Bucyrus and Mount Gilead at 24, with wind chills already in the teens for Marysville and Marion. Delaware feels like 25 right now. So the air temperatures will still be in the 20s through the night tonight, and by 9 o'clock, mid-20s, that's enough to make the snow that we get light and fluffy as opposed to that wet, packable snow. So overnight tonight, 10, 11 o'clock tonight, it starts, and look what happens. Pockets of some heavy snow now and then. Otherwise, it's kind of a steady snow through the night, and that's why it will accumulate enough to give you 1 to 3 on the ground first thing in the morning. So some widespread snow across the region, 1 to 3 by the time you get up in the morning. Overnight low down to 22 degrees. Because the roads are likely to be snow-covered and slippery, so will the sidewalks and your back stoop. That's why winter weather advisories are in effect across most of Ohio. Morgan County and the Marietta-Parkersburg area included in a winter storm warning, as is the Cleveland area. So because of that, plan on extra time tomorrow morning when you're headed out for the morning commute. So tonight and overnight, most locations 1 to 3, pockets could be a little bit higher than that, getting potentially even up to 4 in some areas. But then during the daytime on Friday, we'll add another 1 to 2. So that means you're looking at anywhere from 3 to 5 across a lot of the area by Saturday morning. So Friday morning, we're going to have some elevated issues with the snow on the ground, plus what we add, which means your morning and afternoon commutes could both be slick. So those slick spots on snow-covered roads, especially where things haven't been treated, like some of the side streets, cars drive over that, pack it down, and it turns a little slippery and icy. Plus, we're going to have some potential blowing and drifting because the wind will be strong enough to push some of that around. During the day on Friday, it's a weather alert day because there's the snow through midday, and then in the afternoon it becomes some scattered snow showers, but still that's adding to what we already have. So 1 to 3 in the morning, 1 to 2 during the day, slippery commutes morning and evening. Your daytime high tomorrow, only 26 degrees. So again, this is a light, fluffy snow with some blowing and drifting possible. The wind is going to be out of the northwest, 10 to 20 miles an hour. Have a bit of a bite to it. Saturday, we're going to start the day in the single digits, only get to 18 during the afternoon. So it is going to be a frigid day. Sunday, some sunshine and 24. We'll do some melting on Monday, and then it is mild and wet Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.